to another video. I hope you're well. So today you join me at the Bluffnell car park. The reason why I've actually come to this spot is because, well, that's a bit weird with the sound quality at the start there. No idea what is going on. I'm using the DJI Action 2 at the start there. Yeah, and for a duration of the video, you're just using the built-in mic, this little one right here. No idea what is going on with that audio quality. It sounds really weird. It sounds like it's trying to work out where to get the sound from. So yeah, but I do apologise for the audio quality. If it does get bad, I'll just have to use it as B-roll and add a bit of music to it, and I will do my very best to make this video work. I should mention as well, towards the end of the video, this little guy stops doing a certain thing, and then I had to whip out the M50, so that at least we got better sound and we got better audio video quality as well. But anyway, I'll get stuck back into this and you can continue watching the video. Anyway, I hope you enjoy. It's a higher elevation and maybe we'll actually see around the ranges, see what's going on. I've actually got this lovely view that's happening in front of me, looking over towards some of the peaks. I can't remember which ones they are, but I've just got this lovely scene. There's a nice little bit of rain going through, so I've got you on the, I'll show you some B-roll of that right now on the screen. It looks beautiful. Actually, I'm probably going to come out a little wider. Try not to get the tree on the right-hand side here. I shall move over just a scooch. Just like that. And this is actually my first time using this that we mentioned in the last video. So yeah, I'm really excited to see what this rainbow setting now, or going away. Oh, my hands are freezing. Oh, I left the gloves back at base because I didn't think I'd need them. Oh, damn, that wind chill factor. It's 7 degrees this morning, but with that wind chill, it's so much colder. Yeah, it's great having a go with this lens for the first time. Even the whole time I had it at home, I just basically used it in the garden, just had a little bit of a play. And yeah, I didn't go out and test it. I wanted to bring it here first to test it out. Alright, hopefully you can hear me alright. I've had to go back to my M50. The bloody, the action camera, the DJI Action 2, it would no longer record in 4K. It was only going to do 1080 because of the cold, and that camera is a piece of garbage, to be honest. Footage is nice, but it really does drop in resolution when it's cold, and then it's affected by the heat, so that affects the resolution as well. Yeah, it's all aluminium and it's not the best, so yeah, I really can't rely on it for footage. So yeah, I was hoping to use it for when it's raining like it is now, and I could be able to go out into the elements, but it will not record in the resolution that I want, which is a real shame. So I'll probably have to look at getting something else. Yeah, that will be able to actually record in those temperatures, because it's so temperamental. But anyway, having a bit of fun with this. Yeah, just trying to shelter from this rain. It's freezing cold. My hands are going numb. I haven't even climbed the mountain. I just met a guy, Luke, who's over here from Sydney. I think he's doing a trip. We can actually talk too much, but he's going to follow me on Instagram. But yeah, it's epic conditions. Actually, I'm just seeing a composition just in front of me now, where part of the peak is just getting smothered by this rain. So gonna shoot. Might do a square crop. Yeah, that will actually really help me. So I'll just angle that back around. Change my aspect ratio. Zoom in. The focus on this is so nice. If you haven't seen my previous video, I'll link you to it. But yeah, it's nice having that, just a little bit more throw in this. And I forgot to mention in my other video, the minimum focusing distance is only 98 centimeters. So I could do some like close-up photography, not macro, but close-up, which is really nice. And even with the 1.4 extender, I can still do my minimum focusing distance of 98 centimeters. Let's get a shot of this. IS on to help us. Actually, I'll put it on mode 3. Check out histogram. 30th of seconds, 5.6, 320 ISO. Just check it. Everything is getting wet. I've got to go far higher. 5.6 is higher, so we'll probably go 80th. Yeah, blue sky's coming, so it's going to clear up. So epic, and it's so nice to get out with this long lens. Just trying to look out what else to do. Apologies about the rain on the lens. Actually, I'll do my best to try and clean that off. Everything is just getting really wet. Okay, so I've got that peak in the distance again. Going 4:3 aspect ratio. I'll probably change this. Just trying to focus. What I do love about the focus on this lens versus the 70 or 200 is the throw on it. You're able to really do fine adjustments. Actually, I'm going to come out just a little bit. Not much. Just check the focus again. That looks good. Oh, it looks awesome. The peak is in the clouds. Bring up our histogram, 200 ISO, f7.1, 1/60th of a second. Get some nice detailed stuff, so we're going to zoom right in. I've never ever had a lens this long for a very long time. I think the last time was when I was a motorsports photographer. So yeah, this is the first time I'm being able to photograph this place with a long lens. Let's have a go at that. I want to try and keep those white details there and the blacks. 80th of a second. focus on that little valley right to the left of it. This won't be our last time coming here. We're here for 3 weeks at the ranges. Actually, I'm going to go back over to the car where it's a bit more sheltered. So I'm going to have to end the video here. It's freezing cold, and yeah, I want to get back to being warm, and I also want to edit this video, edit these photos and get this up. So yeah, we're going to be doing a lot of photography on this trip. I want to be doing at least maybe 2 videos, or 1 video every 2 days. There's going to be times when I'm going to be doing a video every day. So what I'm looking at doing is, because that's going to just bring me probably to the end of the year at this rate, I'm looking to do a video release every 2 videos a week. So dropping one probably on a Tuesday and one on a Friday. And yeah, so if you've seen my other videos, my recent videos, sooner than normal, then you'll know why, because I just want to get these videos up. And since we've got our wireless modem here, I can actually upload from the campsite, which is great. I've done some speed tests and I've got some really good speeds down there, better than what I have done in the past. So yeah, but yeah, this is going to be one of those videos which I'm not sure how it's going to go together. I haven't really got that much B-roll or anything. It's been a really challenging video to make, mainly because of conditions and yeah, and the weather and everything battling against me. I didn't actually plan on coming to this spot. I was going to go further into the park, but because the clouds weren't as low as I wanted, not as well, when I got up they were perfect, but that quickly changed. But you know, those conditions will happen again, what I want, and we'll go into the park and capture those photos, and more magical and scenic, yeah, more magical it felt like. So when I've seen it like that before, more isolation sort of shots, minimalism, that sort of stuff. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to turn my camera off here, and I will say cheerio, and I will see you in the next one. Okay, bye for now.